3.5 for pre-calc. We're doing operations on positions. All right. So, like, let's talk about what we mean by operations on functions. Okay, we know that functions have operations in them. For example, if we talk about like f of x is equal to, we'll use a quadratic and vertex form, x minus 2 squared plus 7. Okay, so there's operations in that function, right? But could I take, so this is f of x, and it's got some, let's see, it's got some subtraction, it's got a square going on, there's some addition, some multiplication here, right? So there's some operations going on there. A linear equation, we'll say it's like negative 3/2 x minus 4. And on g of x, there's some operations happening too, right? Multiplication and some subtraction. But could I do operations on these together? Could I take those two functions and do operations with them?
Yeah.
Yes. And what would that look like? Like, what if I wanted to do, like, if I wanted to say f of x, and I wanted to add to a g of x. So now we got two functions and they're added together. It's almost like elimination. Okay. I think that's what you're saying. So I'm going to take f of x, and you're going to write what f of x is, right? 2 x minus 2 plus 7. That's the first part, right? What about that second? What are we going to do?
Minus 3/2. Plus.
So we're plus a negative 3/2. We'll just do that real quick. I know, Devin, that we could just write minus sign, but we're going to do it so that we can see that there's the addition between those two. All right? Could we combine like terms and stuff? We could after, we'd have to first, right? But we could turn this vertex form into standard or general form, and then combine like terms. We'd still have a quadratic, wouldn't we? Because our largest term would still be x squared, but it changed a little bit. All right, so that's what we're going to be when we talk about operations. Here's an example one. I'm going to try to highlight because I got a lot of stuff written down here. So we have f of x in blue and g of x in red. Okay, I'm going to do some things. First off is addition, which we talked about kind of like that, didn't it? All right. Another way that you can see is f plus g of x. Okay. I think this is a little bit more common. I've seen it that way more times, I think. I can't remember what this uses, though. They mean the exact same thing. Okay, just two different ways to write it. All right. Same thing with minuses. Over here, they added them together. All right, we added like terms. Yeah. We're not to times yet. Let's get to minus now. Okay. We do minus. Same exact way. One thing that you need to be careful on minus. All right, and it's right here. We make sure I didn't write them here. I should have written parentheses right there because of that negatives to both places, right? You're not just subtracting that first term, you're subtracting the whole equation, right? The whole function. So we're going to subtract x, and I get minus a negative 4, which is plus 4, and then you get, let's see, 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay? You need to make sure that when you do subtraction, you're careful. Got it? Multiplication one, right? So it can be written like that or like that right now. And when you do multiplication, you're always going to have some type of either FOIL or distributive problem. Here we just wrote it in a FOIL problem. We do first, outer, inner, last, combining any like terms if you have them. All right? What's your question? No, so you're saying multiplying by x, right? Wait, now this right here is That's a name. There's no operations in there. I mean, it's telling you to do operations, but it's not, that's a name, right? So we want to say the name is f plus g of x. The operations that happens over here. Okay. Last one is f over g of x or f of x over g of x. And that's just going to be big. So that one's probably our favorite, fractions. No, I don't like fractions.